a machine manufacturer in Kyoto. It's a company of about 190 employees, and they've focused solely on eggs for over 40 years. Check out the poster. We're shown to a machine that's almost ready to be shipped.
こちらが当社の製品でございます。
Can you see it? An L-shaped assembly around 30 meters long. It's called an egg grading and packing system. Pass eggs through the system and irregular ones are automatically removed. The remaining good eggs are packed. But how does it work? Takaishi Yasuhiro takes us through it. Eggs are placed on the conveyor in any orientation. Much out the same way. Let's see how it works with just one egg. It rolled over.
Eggs naturally roll toward their pointed end. They end up by these bars, which turn them round. That aligns the eggs.
But why does it matter if they all point the same way? Well, since the yolk of an egg is less dense than the white, it floats up. If the pointy end faces upwards, the yolk pushes against the shell and can burst. There's a small air pocket on the rounder end, so if that's at the top, the air will cushion and protect the yolk from damage. Next, the eggs are washed in water that's 60 degrees Celsius and dried. Then a light is shown through each egg. This is an inspection mechanism to check for flaws. It can identify issues like this. A bit of blood is attached to the yolk.
We can spot blood by detecting the hemoglobin it contains. If the system spots any issues, it will remove the egg in question through a special gate.
After checking for flaws, the good eggs are packed. Components called fingers pick up and drop them directly into packages. Eggs are delicate, so the shape and material of the fingers and the falling height are all carefully calculated. The system can grade and pack 60,000 eggs in 1 hour. It's currently used in over 70 countries and regions around the world.
We have an 80% market share in Japan and 20% abroad. Our goal is to pack eggs around the world, and we're all working towards that.
The company has a big share of the egg system market. It was established in 1964. At first, the company made control panels for factories. As the Japanese economy grew, so did consumption of eggs. At the time, eggs were packed by hand. The company spotted the potential for automation and invented a new machine. The issue was the fragility of eggs. After leaving the fingers, momentum kept the eggs moving forward. Sometimes they smashed into another egg, cracking both.
Eggs have to be carried softly and gently. They're also packed close together, so achieving a soft landing while not letting the eggs hit each other was difficult.
After much trial and error, the company came up with a solution. The eggs would be turned around as they were dropped. But did it work? Here is actual footage of the machine. The eggs fall straight without any collisions. A safe landing. The next issue was finding cracks. How to spot minute imperfections invisible to the eye. This mechanism was the answer. Can you see a crowd of thin sticks flittering about? What are they doing?
Little sticks like cotton buds tap the eggshells. The sound they make tells us if there's a crack or not.
Let's watch in slow motion. Each egg is tapped a total of 16 times as it rolls. But how different is the sound? Let's find out. It's a subtle difference. Takaishi clarifies with another example.
This is an uncracked bowl. Let's tap it. There's a slight echo to the sound, but with a cracked bowl, it's dull, no echo. Our clients want us to spot even very tiny cracks. Our system was able to meet that challenge.